Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. If you're coding in Python and trying to use pip in Visual Studio Code, but the terminal says it's not recognized, don't worry, it just means pip isn't set up properly yet. In this video, I'll show you how to install pip and get it working perfectly inside VS Code. First, pip is Python's package manager. So to get pip, you need to make sure Python is installed correctly. Go to python.org and download the latest version. During installation, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path, then click Install Now. Once installed, open VS Code and press Ctrl+ backtick to open the terminal. Now check if pip is installed by typing pip version. If that works, you're good to go. If not, you might need to manually add pip to your system path. Go to where Python is installed, usually C, Users, your name, zip detail. Local programs Python, Python, x etc. scripts. Copy that path and add it to your environment variables. Now restart VS Code and run the same command again. Once pip works, you can install Python packages right inside the terminal. Pip install Pandas. Easy and efficient. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.